May profits be upon you. Hey, I was looking at NZD Swiss, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. I was looking at it and I was thinking to myself, you know what? There might be an opportunity about to unfold. You see the diagram, you see the chart I have in front of me, right? And why am I thinking that price is going to drop from here? Well, if you take a step back and look at the daily, you'll see that I have a daily zone here, right? Let me use a pointer if I can get a good one. All right, let's solidify that line. Boom, boom. All right, now what I see here is the daily, all right, and you see how price reacted when it got here. All right, made a nice push to the upside. All right, price did its thing up there and then found its way back down to this zone, right? This is what I want you to pay attention to. You see, you have the reaction here, boom, right? Price comes into it, reacts, and then breaks the demand zone, all right? What do I usually look for as soon as it breaks the demand zone? I go right back up here to the supply. The last supply that caused that demand to be broken, all right? This is where I would be waiting for price to return to, and price is doing exactly that. Okay. Now, if we go to the back to the 4 hour, give me my pointer back. Okay. All right. What do I want you to see? What do I want you to pay attention to? First thing is there is a reversal pattern. Price just gave a reversal pattern, all right? And if you had noticed when we were on the daily, it ran into a brand new daily chart, a brand new demand zone, and it was unmitigated, and price gave us a reversal pattern, a push down, a pull back, a lower low, a break above that pullback high. And then what do I do when I see that break of that market structure there? I wait down here for the return to impulse, and that's exactly where price came back to. Price found its way back to that the origin of the impulse, and we moved on up, right? And we're still moving up. Now, here is the question. This is what's running through my head right now. Is price going to break this zone? Why do I think there's a potential for that? Because there's relative equal highs over here. All right, price could come back up, wick up higher, and take out this liquidity and then drop, or it could continue up from this from the demand zone that it tapped into up here, creating this nice reversal pattern. All right, now I like it to the downside because this is a bearish market, man. Make no mistake about that. We can look on the daily, back on the daily again, and we can see price broke the structure here, man. I mean, we made a lower low, consolidated, moved lower, pulled back, did not take that high out, right? This was just a retracement, and then we broke lower. So this becomes the top of the trading range, right? Boom. All right, on the high time frame now. All right, because we're just looking at tops and bottoms right now, here, here, and then here. All right, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, could we be on our way to making a lower high? This was an impulse, and it could be pulling back for a deeper retracement, you know, past the 50% mark, and then we can continue down. We can do all of that. Here's the deal. The things that I'm considering. One, the RT money meter had told you that the Swiss is a little stronger than the New Zealand dollar. I don't even have that the RT money meter up. Let me get back to the 4 hour. All right, because I don't want to make this a very long video. But what I want you, wow, I'm doing all of this extra stuff here. All right. What I'm looking for is, you know, we don't have to, we're going to see if we're going to get bearish price action here. What am I looking for? you know what I'm looking for already. I'm looking for push higher, and pull back, a higher high, a break below that pullback high, that pullback low here, and then a return to impulse. So that price could continue down. That's what I'm looking for. All right. If I don't get this pattern here, then I know we're probably going to take out these relative equal highs and continue higher. You know, and if that happens, let me tell you something. If that happens, if we take out this supply, what am I going to be looking for? Naturally, I'm going to be looking at this zone. If price breaks, gives the reaction, and then passes through, I'm looking for price to come back. And we're going to take that demand zone, and we're going to go higher so we can facilitate that higher time frame retracement. All right, because we'll have another supply to demand flip. All right, what am I doing here? What am I doing here in the first place? It's a demand that flipped to supply. And I'm going to see if we're going to get bearish price action here so we can take the short down in a bearish market. This is a pro trend trade. If price breaks that supply, boom, 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 I'm waiting for it to come back to the demand that left behind. And I'll take a long from here. It's that simple. That's it. All right, so we'll look to see if we get some bearish price action here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button for me if you would. Thank you. And I will see you in the next video.